Good day, Patreon.
So we're ready, almost ready to sail, to go to anchor. We've got cats and high hopes that the canopy will come through. Let me show you around. It's a little bit messy because now having 5 of these right now around, it's not easy, but things are coming along. So I've decided to wire the center station and to rewire my old computer, because the new computer I got with touch panel doesn't have the Canada maps, has only USA maps. I bought software. I bought 2 softwares that have that were old and used old charts. Unfortunately, only USA and world without Canada. So changes around here, not much. The heater, the candle heater. I've decided a permanent place for the dehumidifier right on top of the fan. I've installed these beautiful pieces of wood. Beautiful. Somebody gifted me this, so he is now incorporated, and we're no longer dealing necessarily with bed bugs and fleas. No, bed bugs, fleas only. But I've decided to put covers in the windows, and this is how they look. They're bed sheets. Yeah. Instruments. Workout bar. Foldable table. Minions squishing in the window. This is the new workmanship of the oven. This is fresh air coming in, going through a fan. So now I'm considering using the fan bipolar, so he can suck air and blow air depending on what I need him to do. So I'm drawing air, cold air from outside, driving it around the pipe and heating it up, and then blowing it out. And then the same will happen with water. Water will go this pipe. Eventually I'll find a way to connect the pipes together, and I'll have a fluent long pipe that I can wrap around and feed back into the tank. Basically, these are the new water lines, and the hot goes to the heater coil. Even I still have to find connections, but this goes to that, and then once it heats up, goes to the tank in the back at the top entrance, and then at the bottom entrance comes this guy. Oh no, this is the cold entrance. Hold on, this is the cold. Okay, so this is the cold. This one has a filter in line with it. Okay, yeah, so this one is the cold, has a filter in line, goes to the coils, from the coils into the tank, and then this guy, yeah, this guy is the return line, and he's feeding the hot water tank. Came out alright. This guy, you might question what it is. I want to generate power by having heat differentials put in between and cooling this side off with fans, and have this guy generate around 300 watts a night per fire per hour. Not much in the bathroom. I have to consider how to install the gas heater, the instant water. Yeah, this is a nice new addition that oh, there's water. Huh. That's weird. But it works. So yeah, that's firewood getting ready. I've got quite a bit parts that I want to throw in the hull, considering what to do with the motor, if to part it. I put it for sale, but for parts we'll see if I choose to repair it. For now, this is my distraction. Beautiful entertainment. Yeah. Outside, recent development. We've so this is the fish finder and GPS navigation and depth sounder. Steering still has a leak. Cable was pulled through. We've installed this guy in here. Though he's collecting water, I just saw. Today we're gonna hopefully get a canopy. For this structure. Yeah. So canopy for the structure. Oh yeah, I have covered this up with a tarp for now, and we'll see how I deal with it touching. Yeah. Okay. So from me to you, have a wonderful, beautiful day. May you be blessed. May your life be everything that you've considered being. Thank you very much for sponsoring. From my heart to yours. Much love.